Canceling Revolut Premium Plan Tutorial. This guide will walk you through the process of canceling your Revolut Premium Plan. Before you start, ensure you have the Revolut app installed on your device and that you are logged into your account. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Begin by opening the Revolut app on your device. If you are not already logged in, enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Profile section. Once you are logged in, tap on the profile icon, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to the Profile section where you can manage your account settings. Step 3. Select Account. In the Profile section, select the Account option. This will take you to a page where you can view and manage your account details, including your subscription plans. Step 4. View your plans. Scroll down to the Plans section, where you will see your current subscription plan, including the Revolut Premium Plan. Tap on the plan to view more details. Step 5. Cancel your plan. To cancel your Revolut Premium Plan, tap on the Cancel Plan option. You may be asked to confirm that you want to cancel your plan. Select Yes to proceed with the cancellation. Step 6. Review and confirm. Review the details of your plan cancellation, including any changes to your account and potential refunds. If everything is correct, confirm the cancellation. Best practices. Before canceling your Revolut Premium Plan, consider the following best practices. Review your account activity to ensure you are not using any premium features that you will miss. After canceling, if you are canceling due to cost, consider downgrading to a lower tier plan instead of canceling altogether. Key concepts. Understanding your Revolut Premium Plan and its features is crucial before canceling. Take the time to review your account settings and plan details to ensure you are making an informed decision. If you have any questions or concerns, reach out to Revolut support for assistance. Conclusion. Canceling your Revolut Premium Plan is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following this guide and considering best practices, you can easily manage your account and make changes to your subscription plans as needed.